Right, so we just ended Constantine. Now we're gonna head up here, see what's up. I feel like this is coming to the end of the game. I don't know if it is or not. It's just that feeling like everything's getting figured out, and we're getting after each other.
Anna! Stop!
Now we gotta stop Anna.
Your men are defeated. Your brother is dead. No! That's what Trinity has wrought. Death. And that's all I'll ever bring. Give this up. I gave up everything for this. I have no intention of giving it to Trinity.
What about your father? You're dooming him to be mocked by history. How can you let this go? When you're so close?
So now you have to stop.
I'm willing to make that sacrifice. I can't let you take it.
Think of the millions suffering and dying. We can save them. We can change the world. Together.
The cost is too high, Anna. We aren't meant to live forever. Death is a part of life.
That's easy for you to say. You're not the one who's dying.
But this isn't about you. This is about humanity, about protecting what it means to be human.
They're coming! We're surrounded!
Jacob, look out!
Oh no!
The sword, it's not meant for the world!
This is your chance, Lara. Everything I've done, everything you've done. Another Croft doesn't have to die for this.
But I'm willing to.
So she has to shoot with one hand, but we have two, so we don't have an advantage. Look, guys, people are on my side.
Please, I'm dying. This is my own life.
What the heck? It's not good.
Jacob, hold on.
I've held on for too long already.
You know I destroyed it.
In all my years, I've met few as extraordinary as you. It's finally happening. My ending.
I'm sorry. All I wanted was to make a difference.
You already have. You already have.
My dearest Lara, I often think about how my father would turn over in his grave if he knew the shame I had brought upon our family's name. Croft, what does it even mean? I just hope you can make your own mark on this world someday. Remember that the extraordinary is in what we do, not who we are.
Destroying the source was the right thing to do.
I still feel like I let him down.
I think you would have made the same choice. Come on. You've got a plane to catch.
So I have all the 360 ones passed so far up to date.
I'd listened to his last tape 1,000 times, but it's as if I was hearing my father's words only now, for the first time. It doesn't matter what choices he would have made. I have to make my own. The myth of Katesh was real. There are secrets
Part
out
16
there that
is
can
where
change
Rise
the
of the
world.
Cremator is gonna end.
I need to find them, not for my father, not for anyone else. Trinity is still out there, and they're more powerful than I ever imagined. I can stop them. I can make a difference.
Maybe we're not done yet, I thought we
I
were.
can make the right difference.
So we better expect a number 3, and I will be playing that once it comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching this series. I really enjoyed playing it. I felt like it was better than the last one. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it too.
I will not thirst as I cross the raging sea. Waves are crashing over me. They drag me down. They drag me down. I will not drown. They'll know my name. After the storms are passing through, they'll know my name. When they've forgotten all about you, they'll know my name. After the storms are passing through, they'll know my name. When they've forgotten all about you, they're calling out.
If you guys can hear that, that's just speaking to the drink. My apologies, That's gonna do it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully I'll have more playthroughs. They plan on making some more. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.